In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your website efficiently using the Wix editor. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create folders and manage your pages effortlessly, allowing for a streamlined and professional looking menu. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, open up your Wix editor. This is your go-to workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a look on the left side of the screen, and you'll spot the Menus and Pages tab. Clicking on that will open up a list displaying all your current pages. This list may already be long, depending on the number of pages you've designed, so organizing them into folders will help immensely. Now let's create a folder. In the Menus and Pages section, you'll notice an option to add folder. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a new folder pop up in your pages list, and it's named Folder by default. You'll want to give it a more descriptive name, so double click on Folder to rename it. Pick something that easily represents the group of pages you're going to organize inside it, like services, products, or blog posts. And with your new folder created and named, the next step is to start dragging your pages into it. Simply click and hold on to the page you'd like to move. Drag it over to your new folder and release it. You'll notice the page has now been tucked neatly inside the folder. If you have several pages related to a particular section, just repeat this process, and soon your menu will be much tidier and straightforward for visitors to navigate. A quick tip: if you have subpages, you can also place them into these folders, keeping everything orderly and structured. This step is especially beneficial for websites with a larger number of pages or complex hierarchies. Remember that a well-organized menu can greatly enhance user experience, making your site not only easier to navigate, but also more visually appealing. Now that you've organized your pages, it's a good idea to preview your site to ensure that everything looks the way you intended. Click on the preview button at the top right of the editor. This handy feature allows you to experience your site from a visitor's perspective, enabling you to make any last-minute adjustments. Finally, after confirming that your menu is perfectly organized, return to the editor and click the Publish button. This will ensure that all your hard work goes live, ready to be appreciated by your visitors. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize your Wix website using folders. With a cleaner menu, your visitors can easily find what they're looking for, enhancing their overall experience on your site. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your website.